Hi, in today's video I want to tell you a little bit about my new GoPro charger. As most GoPro users find out sooner or later, at one point you really need additional batteries for your device. This is the kit that solves that problem. In this package we have charger. You can charge up to 3 batteries, 2 additional batteries, cable and instructions. According to instructions, those batteries will work with GoPro Heroes 5, 6, 7 and 8. Included cable as USB to micro SD, but the charger in the back allows you to charge the batteries with USB-C and micro USB, so it's very convenient. You can charge it with 2 different cables. Inside of the charging base you have 3 bays for charging up to 3 batteries at the same time. In the front we have 3 indicator lights corresponding to the battery which is being charged. We got 2 of those batteries. Both batteries come with the additional storage cases. Once the charger is plugged in, you will see 3 indicator lights in green to charge it. When we put the battery, push it all the way in. If the battery is charged, you will see the green light. In this charger you can charge original GoPro batteries too. You don't have to charge only those supplied. So I'll show you. This is GoPro 5. Once we remove the battery, I can just go and push it in right here, and now you'll see that the battery is being charged. I also have GoPro 7, so I'll take the battery out of GoPro 7 and I'm gonna plug it in the last bay, and you will see both batteries are being charged. This one is already fully charged. So let me go and demonstrate how this battery works in GoPro 7. So this is GoPro 7 black. As you can see, GoPro 7 black powers on perfectly. When I tried doing the same test using this battery with my GoPro Hero 5 black, unfortunately the battery does not work with this GoPro Hero 5. What it looks like is you can charge that battery, and also you can charge original GoPro 5 battery in the charger, but this replacement battery will not work in GoPro 5 black. So once the batteries are charged, the lights, indicator lights, will turn to green, and we know that the batteries are gonna be fully charged. What I like about this portable charger is the fact that it is small and I can close it, keep it in my pocket, and especially for those that need additional batteries in colder climates, this is the perfect way to store your batteries out of the cold temperatures. Let's say you go on a skiing trip and you need to replace your batteries. You know that all your GoPro batteries are gonna be affected by low temperatures. If you're just gonna keep it like this in the pocket, still they're gonna get cold. As you can see, this charger has nice and thick walls. This will also protect it from the cold temperatures. Those batteries are gonna be at much warmer temperature, ready to go, and you can just swap the batteries when there is a time to replace them. So I really like this charger. It comes with 2 extra batteries, so I'm gonna have enough power for an entire day of shooting, and I would highly recommend it to anybody. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.